Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had soybeans trading quite a bit higher, double digits higher, while corn and wheat ended the day lower. Been mixed so far this morning. News out this morning, we got October unemployment information out today, and the U.S. actually added 204,000 jobs, blew expectations out of the water. It was only expected to be around 100,000 jobs added, so that was a good surprise. Obviously, the markets didn't see it as much. They actually traded lower on the news, rallying a little bit here as we talk now, but just not a whole lot of enthusiasm about even a good jobs data number. Unemployment rose to 7.3%, but is expected to rise to 7.4%. So good data all around on the jobs numbers. Participation rate has fallen some, and obviously that's not good when you're adding jobs, but the participation rate is falling, but that's another day for that. So with that said, let's take a look at the expectations for the WASDE today. All right, so we went over this yesterday, but we'll go over it again real quick today. Corn yields expected to come in around 158.933 bushels per acre, compares to USDA September of 155.3. Bean yields expected to come in at 42.407 bushels per acre, compares to 41.2 in the September WASDE. Corn production expected to come in just over 14 billion bushels, compared to 13.843 in September. Soybeans expected to come in at 3.221 billion bushels, compared to 3.149 in September. And then ending stocks, corn is expected to come in just over 2 billion, compared to 1.855 billion in September. The soybean ending stocks is expected to come at 1.72 million bushels. That's 172 million bushels, excuse me, compared to 150 in the September. And then wheat is expected to come at 519 million bushels, compared to 561 in September. So that just gives you a rundown of those ending stocks. By the way, were U.S. ending stocks. If you want the world, go over to grainanalyst.com. It's got the world. Obviously, didn't have room for it on the whiteboard there. So report comes out at 11 a.m. Central. We'll see what it says. We'll know within seconds what the market thinks of it from its initial reaction, and then see how things settle out. And I'll be back later on today with a report to go over what was said and what the outlook is moving forward. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you a little later today.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.